Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video where today I am, sorry I keep looking down, with my cat, Fitzy, and you can't see her right now, Fitzy, and yeah, so I think I got 11 views on my last video with her in it, and that's back when she was a kitten, 8 months ago, and now she is just 1.5 years old. So yeah, I have like a fort thing over there that way, and I have like 8 blankets in there, and then my couch pillow thing, and she just always stays in there. Sorry, something's in my eye. If you saw this on my finger, this, oh my gosh, she ran away. Okay, well, as you guys probably know, maybe I don't think okay, you guys don't know because I haven't mentioned it in any of my other videos, but I am addicted to everything survival. I don't know, I just like it. I have like 8 different knives. I just ordered a new pocket knife because my old one was starting to get a little dull. And I was lighting my ferro rod, and it wasn't lighting my tinder bundle, so I had to strike it more times than usual. I striked it wrong, and yeah, killed my finger. Now my finger hurts. So yeah, my cat ran away, so I'm just gonna go grab tea. So yeah, she's just on my bed over there. 1 second, guys. Hey T, can I pick you up? Can I just pick you up? No, baby. No, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Hey. No, it's gonna be okay. T. Okay, T? Live with it, okay? You're gonna be on camera. Okay, this is T. She's, yeah, she's different. Okay, say hello, T. T. Come on, you always want to talk to everyone. I don't want to talk to the camera. Okay, she's just gonna show off her butt. T, look that way. So, this is the cat. She's a girl. Oh my god, dude, your butt's on my leg. She's a girl, but she pees everywhere. She's like a boy cat. She's very territorial. My dog that you guys saw in my other video that already has 7 views and I posted 2 days ago. Sorry, I have hair in my mouth. Is great. That's the most views, sadly, that I've ever gotten. And yeah, so she hates my dog Lou, and she's that was embarrassing. You guys should have seen that. But anyways, I think that's there's still a hair in my mouth. Anyways, she hates him. She'll walk across the room to go attack him. And she loves people, but she hates my dog. Hello, T. So, yeah, this is the violent one that scratches everybody. I said she likes humans. She really doesn't. But she loves attention. Yeah. T. So, yeah, this is my other cat. Yeah, they found her at, Safeway. So, T. yeah, that's really all I have to say in this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see y'all next time. Bye! Bye!